Katong-bongga.
Oo nga. Hindi siya natulog kagabi dahil sa incident.
Sa yung microphone! Hi! Hello, di-off na. Hello.
Sorry, Dad!
Sabotahin. Ay, dili, di-off na. Sabotage pala, sabotage. Sige, yan. This song is composed by CJ for you. For me. Ayan. Pasensya din na lang po. Ay, rin ang tolo na to.
Oh my gosh. Nag-practice ka ba kanina, Dad?
Sige na lang. Pagod ko sa cellphone. Nasa ko cellphone. O, mag-i-ento ko muna. Tama. Ako ka na. Okay, fine na. Question mark pa nga ito. Enjoy a minute, the kindness of your heart. You stand out in the crowd, and your light fills the night. The sun away you touch, somewhere, somehow, someone's life. Doing the best that you can do, even giving your everything. You are a gem sent from heaven. You're like an angel. You're like a
Napaiyak na, oh.
shining light, shining light, shining light, Jesus. The joy that you can bring, the strength that lies within, love that's overflowing, care for us without expecting. You are a gem sent from heaven. You're like an angel. Your life is a difference. You are a gem sent from heaven. You're like an angel. Your life is a difference. Shining light, shining light, shining light. You are a gem sent from heaven. Life is a difference. You're a gem sent from heaven. You're like an angel. Your life is a difference. Shining light, shining light, shining light. Jesus, shining light, shining light, shining light. Jesus. Happy birthday to you, Evan! May God bless you more po.
Thank you.
Picture. Picture ba yun?
Wait, record I wait.